Good distance. Alright, that's why you. No. Then we have 5 seconds to engage. Oh,
Palayo na naman. Palayo na naman.
do the same shit, okay? Defense ready, all together, okay? Wait. If they walk in all together, west side, okay? Just hold.
Wait na naman sila.
Mainit sila kay Balunit. Promise, mainit sila kay Balunit.
Mainis yung pagulo.
Careful, sa west side. They might try to rush you. TDPS, you want to step up. Okay, you do passing games, okay? Quick reaction. Listen, they're looking at you. Go back. Listen, we're good.
Kita pa ako niya ako.
Sabi ka Malayga?
Hindi, okay lang ano.
Yeah, let's see, looking sila, be careful, looking sila. Listen, all together, okay? On this weekend, sino pa? Fast, what's that? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Careful, go back. Reach na kayo. Let's go back na. You've done your part. Now, wait for your fucking position. Luring sila sa west side. Nila. Careful west side, right? Listen. Good. Binibigyan sila sa Eloy. Swing gate. All together. Sa west side. Hold. Tak inanit.
Atas na naman.
Ayoko na pre. Ayun na tayo pre, tara. Bakit yun?
Uwi tayo tapos likurin natin.
Ano yung gilap?
Wala kang choice pa naman sila. Hindi tayo, pero sabay-sabay tayo dito pre. Why na? Napapatay natin to.
Tataraduan kasi sila dyan ngayon.
Yung bomb squad ko connect ka, engage connect kaya. Look, saway shallow, okay? Saway shallow, listen. Saway shallow here. Bomb squad, please counter for me, okay? Bomb squad, wait, hold for now. Okay, talaga. Listen, BTS, be ready to stop up, okay? Bomb squad, be ready to engage, okay? Be ready to counter. Ano kayo dito? Okay, hold.
Sila na umay dyan. Ginagawa nila.
Go back. Manipit. Yo. Bomb squad, be ready to counter, okay? You look southeast here, Bulldog, southeast side, listen, southeast in 5, 8, southeast in 4,
Secure OC guys, secure
2,
OC.
1, let's run. Yun na. Finish it, now go back.
Secure OC.
Go back. Counter.
Patay siya.
Go back. Go back more, GPS. Huwag na kayo mamatay. Para makatulong tayo. Natok na ako super talaga. Hindi tayo makakap. Doon tayo super. Although marami tayo pero hindi tayo makatulong ng nasa. Dami tayo sa walking sila. Pagitan kami. We're good. Oh, listen, walk out. Listen, catch. Look at this guy. In 5, this guy in 4, 3, what? Ayaw ka kasi ito ah. Kanina please. Baka naman ang palakad.
May FP na may FP sa gate.
Mayat ka.
Ito. Yung double shift pre oh.
Sasarado na yung gate nyo.
Ay, bumalik.
Go back and mount up. Go back and mount up. Go back and
Diba? Good night.
Kami naiiwan sa liyon.
Lululul, naibon. Oo, pumasok mo dulu.
Pushing.
Bagas, aggressive na.
Armor.
Right?
Yan, napatay sa loob.
Of course we brawl here. Of course we brawl here.
Dalhin nyo na lang yung 1 gym.
Careful to ka. Yan, masisiraduhan par. We can mount up and go out na lang.
Ayan. Ingat ha. Baka bumalik ang... Bumalik ang...
They're coming back. They're coming in.
Guys, mount up na kami.
Dito kayo pre oh. Naka-dismount lang sila dyan pre. Tapos naguham na tayo. Nakakira tayo. Hindi na tayo magkakita. I don't see each other again bro. Goodbye. Takin na nila. Kamatay na kayo dyan. Uwi na ako.
Goodbye.
Mount up, disperse. Don't get caught.
Good night.
Ano pre. Goodbye.
Bahala ko dyan. Okay, putang ilang kaliw-kalan. Nag-regive pa yung kasama. Nag-regive pa yung isa.
Tulungan ko ba itong isa?
Nag-regive yung isa. Nag-regive yung
Kaya
kalaban.
yan. Takas ka na. Buong na tayo pre. Pagod na ako.
Nag-regive yung isa.
Go Coco.
Nag-regive pa yung kalaban isa eh.